Advancements in technology are leading to the evolution of air warfare, with a shift towards the use of autonomous and robotic systems to replace human personnel. The United States Air Force, USAF, acknowledges that future conflicts are likely to occur across multiple domains, including land, sea, air, space, and cyberspace, and is therefore prioritizing the development of a more cohesive and coordinated military strategy. A crucial aspect of this approach is the creation of networked and collaborative systems that enable manned and unmanned assets to share information and operate seamlessly together. The primary tactical capabilities of the United States Air Force, USAF, consist of fourth-generation fighter aircraft, F-16CD, F-15EX, fifth-generation fighter aircraft, F-35A, F-22, and upcoming sixth-generation next-gen air dominance, NDAG, fighter planes, along with logistical support assets like C-5, C-17, KC-46, and KC-135R. In addition to manned aircraft, the USAF also operates a diverse fleet of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, that serve various mission areas. The MQ-9 Reaper is a long-endurance UAV with high-altitude capabilities that primarily conducts intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) missions, but can also perform precision strikes. The RQ-4 Global Hawk is another high-altitude, long-endurance UAV that specializes in ISR missions and is equipped with advanced sensors. The RQ-170 Sentinel is a stealthy UAV with advanced intelligence-gathering capabilities that is primarily used for ISR missions. Although not widely publicized, it is an operational asset of the USAF. With the continued development of new technologies, the USAF is poised to maintain its position as one of the most advanced air forces in the world. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates on military technology.